So hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Now tell me, what do you want to see in your dreams? Mostly children like to see that they are sliding on the rainbow. They are in the chocolate land. And they are in the ice cream world. They are in the candy garden. Not this much. They also imagine that they are riding on a dolphin. They are eating lots of junk foods. And the best dream of the children is to touch the stars. Yes, so today we are going to learn a poem, The Sugar Plum Tree. It is very beautiful poem and narrated by Eugene Field. It is generally narrated at night for the children so they will wake up happily the next day. Number 2, poem number 11, The Sugar Plum Tree. Have you ever heard of the sugar plum tree? This a marvel of great renown. It blooms on the shore of the Lollipop Sea in the garden of Shut-Eye Town. The fruit that it bears is so wondrously sweet, as those who have tasted it say, that the good little children have only to eat of that fruit to be happy next day. In the first paragraph, the poet is telling that, have you ever heard about sugar plum tree? He says that it is a wonderful tree and very famous too. Renowned means very famous. It is a very famous tree. It blooms on the shores of Lollipop Sea in the garden of Shut-Eye Town. When you will shut your eye at night, you will see the shore of the Lollipop Sea, and there you will get the sugar plum tree. In the next paragraph, the poet is telling that those who have tasted its fruit, they says it is wonderfully sweet. It's very, very sweet. The good little children only need to eat this fruit to be happy the next day. Who will get it? The little children. Those who wants to eat, they have to sleep early at night. Then only they will get the dream of the sugar plum tree. And the next day they will be happy next day. Okay. Now this is your poem. Now you have to write down the rhyming words. Which are the rhyming words? See. Tree, sea. Renowned, town. Sweet, eat. Say and day. So these are the rhyming pairs in the poem. So what you will do? You will write down in your notebook the words meaning. These means it is marvel, a wonderful or amazing thing or a person. Renown, very famous. Okay. Wondrously means amazingly or wonderfully. So you will write it down, the words meaning in your notebook. Then after that you will write the rhyme glossary, then rhyming words. Okay. And after that you will write the names of the following from the poem. You have to write down the name of a tree. What is the name of the tree? The name of the tree is the sugar plum tree. Yes. Now, what is the name of the sea? Yes. The name of the sea is the Lollipop Sea. Yes, now the next is the town. What is the name of the town? The name of the town is Shataita. Yes, so you will write it down in your notebook, and I'm sharing the PDF with you that you will get all the question answer of your workbook in that. Write it down and send your work to me. Allah Hafiz, dear students. Take care.